It's your boy Juan, back with another video. You know, each video I drop of these, me, do my little workouts. I'm gonna come behind, talk, get y'all my little mindset on my little workouts. I'm in Crocs, so that's how you know I'm not even doing too much. But I start off each of my workouts with form shooting. Do a little pound pull up, something basic, find that rhythm. I talk about shit, my bad, y'all. It's about 2 o'clock, 2 a.m. where I'm at right now. About 2 a.m. in the rack. I'm tired, but I'm finna get these videos about the way. Yeah, I make about 10 each hand. About 10. But this is me trying to get back into hooping. Back then I used to make at least 20, 30 in a row. But I'm just trying to work my way back into it, ease my way back into it like I never left, You see how these pretty easy. I'm just getting them out the way. You feel me? Just knocking them down, getting them up out the way. Ain't nothing crazy. It's real slight, real light. Oh yeah, this is something I just recently started adding to my work, to my drills. It's to help work on your picking up the dribble. You really should. Yeah, I got this off it was an NBA player. I took it from him. It's really effective. I need to work on that, but one day at a time. That's all I can say. But I recorded this video like a month ago. It was a little minute ago, So you see that gut? I'm glad I don't got that gut no more. That shit nasty. I had this 13-year-old come up to me. He asked me how old am I? I told him 21. He said, "You got a gut like a 50-year-old?" I said, "Chill, shorty." He said, "I got a gut." I said, 50. That's like a 50-year-old. I'm like, what? Gracious. We gonna get right though. This past month, I've been getting right. Been doing my little thing, hooping wise. I haven't really been hooping this last week though. I've been away from it really. But all these videos we drop this week. I'm gonna drop a video every day this week. I got a lot of content I need to be posting. I'm getting them all about the way. And I'm gonna start back doing reaction videos. So I hope y'all ready for those type of videos. Shit, I'm not even gonna say suggesting videos. I'm just picking the video I think that can give me some type of numbers that I'm gonna enjoy reacting to, and I'm just react to it. I ain't gonna ask to comment and all that. Nah. But yeah, shit, it's basic shit. Ain't nothing major, It's just me showing y'all a little warm up. I know I got some people who be watching my shit, so if y'all looking for some type of drills to help work on your pickup dribbles and help develop a quick release, I suggest you use these 2 drills that I'm using right now because they've been helping. This drill been helping. The first dribbling, the little pound dribbling, the pound to a pull up, that shit been helping me for years. I ain't gonna lie. This one of the drills I used to use to develop a quick release. But yeah, the second drill I just recently started doing it about a month or 2 ago, but I think it's helpful. I don't know, people, you can try. I do about 5 dribbles around, like cross behind. I do about 5-10 times, and then I pull up. Gotta make about 10 to 20, depending on how you feeling, how many reps you're trying to put in. I know it might take a little minute, so I suggest you do 10, especially if you fuck up on your dribbles like I am in this video. what's my goal? And honestly, I don't want to go hoop for nobody. I ain't gonna lie to you right now. I do not want to go hoop for nobody because I feel like that's gonna take away the joy of me just hooping. Right now, I'm just really focused on getting better, becoming the best version of myself, and just unlocking new abilities for myself. As far as hooping, I just don't want to be ass at hooping. I ain't gonna lie. Like, if people ask me go hoop, I don't want to be one of them niggas who just weak as hell. No, I want to be one of them niggas who stand and I have motherfuckers ask me like, "Oh, why you ain't hooping in college or professional or whatever the case may be." But at the same time, if this video stumble across college coaches or coaches overseas or whatever the case may be, and they trying to recruit me, I'm down for it. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'll be down for it. But right now, I'm just focused on getting healthy, getting in shape, changing up my diet for once, and just becoming the best version of myself, really. But I think this the last drill I be doing when it comes to any drill I do. I gotta make about 10 free throws. I gotta make either 10 in a row, or if I miss, well, I'm just getting back into it. So right now, I'm not really forcing myself to do shit that I used to do. But with my free throws, I gotta make 10. If I miss more than one, I gotta start over. But if I miss one to make the next one, I can just keep going. But normally, I have to make 10 in a row to move on to the next drill. So right here, I'm just doing go up 10, miss one. That's cool. If I miss another one after that one, if I miss 2 in a row, then I start over. But I don't think I start over. I don't know. Maybe I did. Like I said, this was a month ago, so I don't know. But you see that form though? The form is damn near perfect. In my opinion, it's damn near perfect. Green. But yeah, it's a good drill for any hoop out there. Any hoop who wanna, improve their free throw rating. That's a good drill. I was trying to work on my heavy pull-ups because I seen this video, Mr. Bean, Kobe Bean Bryant, showing this WNBA player the way he pull up, how he make it so effective. So I was trying to work on it. I'm so damn knock-kneed, my knees be going in when I pull up, but it's cool. Oh, I ain't finished. I was just fucking around right here, split it. I think I'm finna start working on my flows. If I'm not mistaken, I finished up this video yesterday and I already forgot. Yeah. Now it's my little free throws. I'm against a free throw. My little floor series. So I gotta make about 10 floors, 10 to 15 floors with each hand. Once I do, first I do in the middle, and then I move to the right corner, then I move to the left corner, and that's how I do it. It's good repetition. Cause you can work on each variation of the floor. I work on 2 foot and 1 foot floors with each hand, and I work on each size that people normally do floors on. So that's also good. And keep in mind, that's not how I do flows for real. It's just me working on different variations. But I recently discovered you're not really supposed to flick your wrists when you do a flow. You're really supposed to just push the ball up. So in my next little training video, y'all gonna see me actually pushing the ball up and practicing. It's just me just doing flow shit. Ain't really no explanation to it, but y'all enjoying the video so far, man. I hope you like the video. If you've been in tune for a minute, but if you're new, ask your mama what's to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and just stay in tune and roll with me. It's a progress. This shit ain't gonna happen overnight, but I'm gonna do my best to stay consistent with this shit, man. I be so busy. I don't even have time to edit the video. All I have time to do is record the video, and that's that. But yeah, me working towards being consistent in life. Shit, anything I do, I'm just working towards being consistent in. I got a hard time being consistent in anything. Lay, pull, spigot. That bitch damn near automatic. It don't matter how long I take off hooping. That bitch gonna be automatic. Mr. Boom. Oh, now I'm doing my left hand first. In this video, I ain't show the left side. I mean, doing the left corner, cause I ain't trying to make my video. I ain't trying to make these type of videos so long. The longest gotta be 25 minutes. Otherwise, that shit gonna get chopped up. But yeah, I want these videos to be watchable. People just click on it, watch it, listen to me in the background, and just shit vibe to it. Ain't nothing really crazy going on in this video. But in my next few videos, y'all gonna see me playing against other people. It's gonna be a 32. You from Chicago, you know what 32 is. It's like a 21, but we're going to 32. And we're gonna do free throws. After you score, you just check the ball up, and that's that. But yeah, this is me working on the right corner floors, driving in. I got this video from this trainer, I forgot his name, but he was training these NBA players, and it was just different variations on floors, and I have fuck with it, and I've been doing it for over a year now, and it's been helpful for me, so hopefully it be helpful for y'all if y'all decide to take the drill and use it to y'all workouts. That would be decent. Y'all can just post it and tag me if you want to. I really don't care. But yeah, hopefully this video, these type of drills help y'all journey and become the best hooper y'all can be. If y'all care about hooping. But I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all in the next 5 minutes. I'm gonna just let the music play and let the video ride out. do like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man, if you're new. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm tired. So I'll see y'all in the next video. And hope y'all enjoyed this one. Make sure you leave a like. I already said that. I'm gonna show you. Peace out.